Zhejiang Cenwan Intelligent Packaging Equipment Company is a professional manufacturer with our own factory and skilled workforce, dedicated to delivering high-quality carton folder GUI equipment to global customers. Backed by a core team with over 10 years of experience in folder GUI production, we are redefining the industry landscape through advanced technology, exceptional design capabilities, and a customer-centric approach. Our entire production system and quality management processes have been certified to ISO 9001-3015, the globally recognized benchmark for quality management systems. Additionally, all our folder GUI machines have obtained the EUCE certification. These certifications not only validate the excellence of our products, but also provide our global customers with confidence in choosing equipment that adheres to international best practices. We offer a diverse range of folder GUI machines, including customized models tailored to different box types such as cardboard and corrugated boxes to meet clients' specific production needs. Our factory is strategically located in Wenzhou City, Zhejiang Province, China, with convenient access to Wenzhou Longwan International Airport approximately a 40-minute drive away, and we warmly welcome customers to visit our facility for on-site inspections. Our vision is to become a global leader in the folder GUI industry. We will keep investing in R&D to upgrade product quality and expand our service capabilities, while actively seeking partnerships with friends from all sectors to create a mutually beneficial future. Whether you want to learn more about our equipment, request a quote, or schedule a factory visit, please feel free to contact us. Let's join hands to embrace a new era of efficient carton folding.